Good morning, viewers. So today markets opened flat and moving higher. Already high it has made. You can see in the chart, but still, so it is our strategy is an buy on dips strategy. We'll take on the dip. Now dip has come. It is time to enter. So around 480 will be our entry. Okay. See the time now. It is 9:41. And so around 480 is our entry point, and next we will average at 380 like that, and target in case second entry also is done. In case of average, from average point again we need to take 100 points, let us say 500 rounded number. In case 380 is average, we will take a target of 500. In case right from here, if it moves higher, 580 will be our target. So this is the discipline method we need to do, and no emotions and no other decisions. This is to be done particularly. Okay. So these days, why I chose SENSEX? It moves violently compared to Bank Nifty. So earlier I used to trade in Bank Nifty. It was my favorite. Of course, to many people it was a favorite index to trade. So I used to do scalping, but it was running successfully. But once the government SEBI has declared that the weekly options are going to be stopped, at that time I was in a confused state what to do next, what index I should choose. So finally, after observation and doing some trades also, we incurred losses in also. Now we created a proper strategy in SENSEX. So capturing 100 points in SENSEX options is a good thing we have designed, and no scalping here, entries and exits, that's all. Sometimes second entry may come, sometimes direct target may come. Whatever comes, 100 points capturing is important, right? So we'll wait for the targets to come and then book the profits, right? Let us wait and see. Now you see our option price is trading at around 515 or so. Actually this is the target has done. How? We already made, you see the low 342 was the low, 380 was an entry. I did not record at that time. Okay, so 500 is the target is achieved actually. Okay, so in this way average as well target also will be finished. There was no big movement in the index, right? Thank you.